Hey guys, before we start this video, make sure you do not click off, because today we have a giveaway at the very end, so make sure you stick around till the end. Hey guys, Gary G back again with another video, and today I'm very excited to bring you another product in the mirror finish line. And what I got for you today is Atomic Bomb Sheet and Shine Shampoo. And the reason I'm excited about this is I believe could possibly be the new king of ultra shaving cream snow foam. Let's go. All right, so Atomic Bomb calls for 1 to 2 ounces in a foam cannon. I don't know about you, but that seems pretty low to me. I'm usually in the 3 to 4 ounce camp. That's pretty much what I do with all the soaps. So I do use about 3 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit more than what they say. But with this soap, what I'm able to get as far as the thickness and foam and just that general output for my foam cannon is just, it blows my mind. I know this is not the first product, just like I said about Touchless, this is not the first product. Mirror Finish isn't over here producing products that haven't been done before. I just think they're swooping in and doing them better and for way better prices. All right guys, so here is our specimen for today. This is a beautiful white 7 series. I believe this is a 22 or a 21. It's pretty brand new, but as you can see, it is very dirty. So we're gonna need some love from the soap that we use. We'll see how Atomic Bomb does at lifting off all this grime. Let's get it. All right, so what's important to you in a snow foam? Dwell time, cleaning ability. What's the most important thing? To me, it's really about cushion. What kind of lubricity can it provide? Protection against scratches, smells, colors, super crazy extra foam. I think that's really not the important thing that we should be focusing on here. I think that we should be focusing on the layer of protection against the paint, the encapsulation. That's really the idea of a snow foam. One thing to note is most snow foams are pH neutral, and everybody focuses on pH neutral because you can use it in direct sunlight. The problem with a pH neutral soap is because it's pH neutral, it's really not doing a lot of cleaning. So a lot of the cleaning has to do with whatever soap you have in your bucket or your contact wash. Having said that, I think Atomic Bomb has a lot of those qualities. So let me show you what I mean. I think we can all agree that is acceptable foam. It's pulling off that dirt. Look at this. Pulling off the dirt on the panel just by itself. All right, so now making it around the vehicle. Clearly, as detailers, we use snow foam. A lot of us use it for Instagram or to make things look good. Some of us use it for what it's intended for. Well, Gary, I'm confused. Does that mean that you like the soap? You're just talking about snow foam in general. Well, yeah, I love it. I'm making a video on it, right? Then why do you like it? Well, I think it's simple. It has great cushion, excellent thick foam, probably the most foamiest soap I've ever used at this point, all while being friendly on the bank account. $30 a gallon, $120 for a 5 gallon. What do you know in the industry that is producing high foam, suds, cushion, the performance of this kind of soap at that price point? The only thing I can think of is Adam's Mega Foam, and that's about $60 a gallon. So twice the price. So are you really getting twice out of your product, or are you getting a big name? That's up to you. I'm a believer in Mirror Finish. I'm a believer in Mirror Finish Atomic Bomb. I think it's a great soap. And if you're just trying to get a snow foam soap, strictly for the cushion, for covering the foam on the vehicle, I think this is a great choice. The reason why I talk about Mirror Finish a lot is not because they're sponsoring me, because they don't. It's not because I get free products, because they don't. It's because they're good people. They're not trying to price gouge, and they're making really good quality products. A brand like Mirror Finish doesn't have as much of a cult following, but as you can see, they provide the same quality products that you get from any other competitor out there. Geon, G-Technic, you know, the Rag Company, you name it. Anything out there that's a big name brand that comes with a price tag, they can give you the same quality at half the price. And that's why I believe in them. So to end this, I'm gonna show you the results, but first, the guys at Mirror Finish, to say thank you for all you guys watching this video and for supporting Stay Slick. they're gonna give away a gallon. I have a gallon of atomic bomb that I'm gonna be giving away to one of you guys. Hey guys, I just realized that I messed up what you need to do for the giveaway while I was editing this video. So what I want you to do is this. I need you to be subscribed to my channel. I need you to also subscribe to Mirror Finish Polish's channel. They have a YouTube channel now. Instagram for both of us as well. I want you to post the link to this video in your story, and then I want you to tag both of us on it as well. So that way, all of you guys post it on your stories and you get it out to other people as well so more people can be involved. Subscribe to both of our channels. Make sure you're following both of us on Instagram, and then make sure that you repost the link to this video on your stories and tag both of us as well. Good luck. I'm going to be announcing the winner in 1 week's time from when this video posts. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Enjoy these outro results. Thank you guys as always for supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys, my Stay Slick family. I'm looking forward to which one of you guys wins this, and I'm very happy for you to try this out because I know you're gonna love this product. So as always, peace. Stay slick. See you guys later.